Igor.
And I'm Tanya.
And we're about to teach you how to make a super easy ponche queijo. And I'm pretty sure, no, 100% sure, that you have all these ingredients right in your fridge. Okay, so for these ingredients, you're gonna need 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 3 cups of yuca flour.
You're gonna need 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, and 1 cup of avocado oil.
Okay, now let's put our stuff in the blender. But make sure you put the liquids first, as in the milk, the eggs, and the oil. Now let's get to it. Let's put the milk in first. Now let's get the oil. Stick that in there. Okay, your turn.
The eggs, the Parmesan cheese,
And then the yuca flour. But make sure you don't blend the mozzarella cheese, okay? Do not blend it. We'll save that for. And now let's blend it. Let's put that right here. That right there. And blend it like it's kind of like in between gooey and doughy. So this is what you're gonna get right here. Ponche queijo paradise. And now we're gonna put in the mozzarella cheese. Put that in. Now, what's really gonna make your ponche queijo taste like a ponche queijo is this mozzarella cheese. So, before you put it into these cupcake things, you have to preheat the oven at precisely 350 degrees before baking.
we already put our ponche queijo dough in the cupcake former. So now you're gonna put it in the oven for half an hour or until you see a beautiful color. Wow, we're finally finished with our ponche queijo.
And now we're gonna go enjoy them as a family. Make sure you enjoy them with your family too. Bye!
Bye!